this is Linda from Gun Lane Wearable Art. Today I'm going to do my first unboxing. I just received this box of beads yesterday, and yeah, this is my very first actual unboxing. As you can see, it's in a box. So I've already cut the thing here, and I have had a peek. So I just wanted to show you the box and how it all comes together. And it's by a company called My Beads. They're an Australian company. I'll get this box open. Here we go. And this is how it comes. So this is my list of what I've got. And lovely little sticker says packed with love. I'll take this out. Move the box out of the way. All done in bubble wrap, so everything's nice and carefully taken care of. And it comes in this bag. So, I don't know whether just to dump this out or take one at a time. I think I'll do one at a time. Okay, this is my first one. I have to read what this is on my list. Just give me a sec here. These are dyed jade 2-hole beads. They're 24 millimeters, and it comes in a pack of 6 for $3.60, which is a great price Australian, but even better price American. So I'll have a look at those. I think our dollar at the moment is around about 66 cents or something to your dollar, so you save quite a bit. And this is what they look like. I'll get one of each colour. Yeah, well, this one varies a bit, but they're a crescent shape, sort of. I guess I'm not quite sure what shape you call that. And as you can see, it's got the 2 holes, and it goes through both sides. So they're the colours. I think they're beautiful. I can't wait to do something with those. Okay. Oops, get in there. Next one out. These probably aren't going to come out in order, so I can read them. All right. Oh, okay. It's got it written on the tag anyway. Excuse me. These are a Goldstone drop. They're 14 millimeters. And as you can see, it's $6.40 Australian. And these are the beads. I don't think the camera's picking up the beautiful little gold fleck. Look at that one there. That's gorgeous. So a nice teardrop bead there. Next one is Adventurine Faceted 6 millimeter for $9.90. And that's a very long strand. I'm not sure how long. Adventurine top drill, no. Just quickly have a look here and see if it faceted beads. No, it just says a strand, so I'm not sure how long the strand is. But they're a beautiful bead. Look at those. I don't usually go much bigger than a 6 millimeter in the work that I do. Sometimes up to an 8, but not very often. I stick to the 3, 4, 5 if I can get them, and 6 millimeter beads. Next one out. And these are Black Onyx Faceted Drop. They're 9 millimeter in length. $13.90 for the strand. And again, it's a long strand. And they're faceted. Did I say that? Yes, I did. Faceted. So they're beautiful as well. Look at those. Okay, next one out. We have Carnelian Faceted 6 millimeter for $8.90. I love this sort of darker orange coloured in the carnelian. It's more like a burnt orange. And again, it's a full strand. Next one out is moss agate, faceted 4mm for $9.90. Look at the beautiful colours in those. And again, it's a long strand. Oh, I got one extra loose bead. Very good. And the next one is the goldstone again, faceted 6mm for $9.90. And again, beautiful little gold flecks through that. It's one of my favourite beads. I love goldstone. And our next one out is Lotus Jasper. This is also known as Kiwi Jasper as well. It's faceted 6mm for $6.90. I love the look of this. It reminds me of Dalmatian Jasper, and that is one of Dalmatian Jasper is one of my favourite stones as well. Actually, I have a lot of favourites, but something about Dalmatian Jasper and this one that just pops in jewellery. Okay, next one out. We have Lava Kite, faceted 8mm for $7.90. 8mm, yeah, that's the biggest I usually go in a bead. Look at the beautiful colours in that. Kind of looks like a labradorite without the flash. They're beautiful. The next one out is Adventurine, the 13mm, $12.90. So these are the drops. So they're briolets. They're drilled through the top there. One of my favourite shaped beads. I love them. Just very hard to get nice ones and get a decent size in them. Aren't they a beautiful colour? Okay, next one out is Magnetite Twist. I haven't heard of Magnetite before. 25mm for $4.90. And they're drilled top to bottom. I just love the shape of these. They're a little bit twisted, not too much. And these, oh my God, I fell in love with these when I saw them. Excuse me. These are magnesite slabs. They're drilled top to bottom. But I can just see some beautiful wire work being done with these. Look at the detail in these. Just gorgeous. Excuse me. I don't know what it is. Every time I get on camera, I start coughing. Alright, nearly done. And I got this because it just interested me. And I just thought I have to have a look at that and see what it's all about. Just hold on a sec, guys. I'll just have a good cough and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. But as I said, I just don't know what it is that I just start coughing as soon as I get on camera. I think it's because I don't talk much all day and then, yeah, my voice can't handle it. Okay, this one is a navy blue and brown ceramic shell feature bead. It's 40mm in length. It's drilled top to bottom. It's a little bit thicker than I thought it was, but I can still see myself doing something with that. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Very pretty bead. Okay, and I think this is, yes, it is our last one. I got some daisy spaces and head pins and stuff like that, but I took those out. I didn't think they were worthwhile showing. They're just daisy spaces and head pins. Now these ones Yeah, I thought very, very interesting. And I hope the camera can pick up the colours in this one. It's a crackled, let me just have a look here. Crackled agate. It's a 2-hole bead, 24 by 18 millimeters, and you get 4 beads for $3. I thought that was a good deed. That you can see the holes there on the side. But just the colours in that, absolutely beautiful. I think they're all pretty similar. See that one? Oh no, this one's got a little bit more like a turquoise blue through the middle of it there. Oh, that one, look at that one. Wow. That's just amazing. Get my light off that if I can a bit. No. Okay, well that's that, guys, for that one. If you're interested in any of their beads or having a look at their website, it's let me just see here, check the web address. You can email them at info@mybeads.com.au, and they're called My Beads. So you could check that out on Google it. I know this is probably more interesting for my Australian viewers and maybe my New Zealand viewers as well, but I just thought Canadian, American, English, whoever else watches this, because the prices of them, as I said, our dollar's not very strong at the moment, and you guys, it's pretty strong, so you could probably get yourself a really good deal. Even costing the shipping cost on that would probably still work out a lot cheaper than buying these beads in the States or Canada. So just give them a check out and see what you think, and let me know down in the comments if you're interested in that. Sorry. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you did. Okay guys, thanks very much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.